we're live. And I believe we're live on YouTube. All right, folks. Welcome to Gamecast for Tuesday afternoon. We're here to talk about the judicial coup continues. A court just on the 7th, so the day before yesterday, or yesterday actually, has already enjoined the big, beautiful bill. It was passed on Friday. Judge enjoins it on a Monday, folks. Not kidding. So here on Twitter, here's Margot Cleveland, a good follow. And here she is with a copy of the restraining order issued by the United States District Court for the District of Massachusetts, issued on the 7th. Now, I want you to understand how crazy this is. First, they were enjoining the president, which they have no authority to do. Now they're enjoining a bill. So Congress and the president, essentially. Absolutely crazy, folks. And it gets crazier when you think about it. So the bill passes and is signed 5 p.m. on a Friday by President Trump. They already had the thing in the can. You can't just put this together quickly. They had already had it in the can and got it filed, right? Yesterday, she signs it. And I want to show you how crazy this is. That's the first page, again, showing it's out of the District of Massachusetts. Here's here, Judge Indira Dewani, an Obama appointee, an absolute, fascist hack. But she, right here, you'll see, plaintiffs shall promptly, why is it doing that? Why is it? I don't know why it did that. Why is it doing that? There you go. All right. So plaintiffs shall promptly serve this temporary restraining order on defendants electronically or by some other manner under Federal Rule Civil Procedure 5B2. What does that tell you, folks? That tells you they didn't even bother to serve the government before they filed it, which they could have done. If they had this thing in the can and they had it ready to go, it'd be easy to serve the government immediately. I'm sure you could have contacted Trump's DOJ and they would have accepted service. They did all this in secrecy. These people are out of control. They're not judges. They're activists. These people knew where to go. Why did they go to the District of Massachusetts, right? If this is signed by Congress, wouldn't somebody in D.C. have jurisdiction over this? This is forum shopping of the worst order. But folks, the judicial coup continues. We had a couple videos a couple days ago about this. The 6-3 decision left this stuff open where these people can continue to issue these crazy decisions. And the Supreme Court just doesn't seem to get it. At least, Thomas, Gorsuch, and Alito do. But Roberts, Kavanaugh, and Barrett clearly do not. So anyway, if you enjoyed this content, please subscribe. We're going to go live again every day at 1. On the weekends, I think we're going to go live at 9 a.m. But during the week, we'll be live every day on YouTube. And I'm only dropping these on YouTube, not dropping them anywhere else. You can only see them here. Anyway, and if you enjoyed this material, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you do, you will see me on the next one.